right, what's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel Buy the Dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we are going to get into my new favorite SPAC stock that is on the market, and there is still time to get in and get a deal because this stock has not, I don't think, been very well publicized and noticed yet by people. I did a video on this stock the other day, but I wanted to come back in and do another video and bring a little more information on this video, and you guys can determine, do you want to purchase this stock? Now, like I said, I've already purchased this stock. Ticker symbol on Robinhood is RMG, and if we get down here, as you can see, right now I have 10 shares and a cost of $10.40 a share. And if you look over why I'm telling you it's a good deal, as you can see, this stock hasn't really did much because it was just a SPAC. It was a blank check company, and they didn't make an announcement here until I think it was the 5th of October, and you're getting it at a great price right now. So at $10.58, I mean, you're in under $11, you can't beat it. So what is RMG? And as you can see here, it's just basically a blank check company, and that's what RMG is. But what is the news of what is going to be merging with RMG? And that, guys, is going to be ROMEO Power Technology. Yes. So go to romeopower.com. That is what's going to be merging with RMG. The ticker symbol will change to... Oh man, that's terrible. I just drew a blank. But ticker symbol will change. Right now it's RMG. And we're going to get in here to the presentation of what we got. This is under their website, ROMEO Power Technology. It's the Hercules Family Pack is the first ever family pack in the BEV space. Only Romeo's IP could enable such a powerful and flexible pack the family can utilize, from Class 3 delivery vehicles to the world's largest long-haul Class 8 vehicles. Our packs are most likely can snap into your current application. They've been deployed inside, under, and aft applications with the best warranty in the business. Made in the USA. That's always good, made in the USA. Up to 1,000 volts working voltage. Delivers between 30 kWh and 1 MWh. Configurable in 10 kWh increments, serviceable junction box, distributed BMS architecture, module and pack, single fault tolerant, fast charge time. That's kind of some of the bullet points there. And here is their actual ROMEO Power Technology. So this was ROMEO Power and RMG Acquisition Corp to merge. So this is official. This has already been pretty much official that it's going to happen, and that's why I did this video. I went in and purchased it. I had a subscriber comment in one of my videos, and that's how I found out about it. And we're just going to go over some of this big, but you can get on romeopower.com, go under investor, and go to their power presentation, and you can read all this as much as you'd like, and you can do your own research. But I'm going to hit some of the bullet points with you guys. And it says, we are ROMEO Power Technology, a leader in the battery technology and industry-leading hardware, software, and thermal management, attractive and large commercial vehicle TAM, world-class partnerships and strategic players, fully produced in North America. That's always good. And here is their blue chip customer base. And as I look down here, you got Autocar, Bluebird, you got BMW, Borg Warner, E-Truck, Green Power, John Deere, that's a pretty well one. Kenworth, that's a good one. Lightning Systems, Lion Electric, Lone Star Truck Group, Nikola. So guys, if they're a partner with Nikola Motors, so that's pretty cool. Phoenix and RBE. And if you get down here, this is some of the team. They got Lionel Seawood as the chief CEO. You got Michael Patterson as the founder and chief sales officer. You got Lauren Webb as the chief financial officer. And you got the team and RMG team and ROMEO director nominees, Robert Mancini, CEO, and then you got Phil Casson, president and COO. And this here is kind of some of the bullet points they have here. Right now it's under RMG, and it is a publicly listed special company, 234 million cash held in the trust, focuses on disruptive technologies in energy industrial areas. And this here is just saying who they are, everything like that. And as we get down here, here's some of the highly experienced RMG team. So this is why it's really important that they have this, because you can see where these people used to work at. So that is a good thing. That's what you want to know, because you don't want to invest in a company if you don't know the people that run it. So that's why it's really important. And you can see all these good bullet points here. Like Jim Carpenter here. He was the founder and CEO of Riverside Management Corp, former CEO of Horsehead Industries, co-founder at Mohegan Energy, founder, investor, of board of members at Allied Resource Corporation. Then you got Bob Mancini, former partner, founder, and co-head of power investment business at Carlyle, former manager at Goldman Sachs, co-founder and power investment business, founder of head of commodities, principal investment business at Goldman Sachs. So that's good. You got someone here that was in the financial part, man, Goldman Sachs. And if you get down here to Phil, he was with Evercore, Lionel Basel, Morgan Stanley. So this is really, really good. Really, really good stuff we like to see here. And here is some of the highlights. ROMEO Power investment highlights across all battery technology. ROMEO is a clear industry leader. This is what you want to see. So bullet point number 1, 310 contracted revenue up to 2.4 billion under advanced negotiation. Number 2, world-class battery team with technical expertise and deep industry experience. Tesla, SpaceX, Bosch, General Electric, Amazon, Apple. This is just really good news. You got people on a team now that work for ROMEO, and they all have experiences with these top players. I mean, Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. Do I need to say more? So if you got people that used to work at those companies and now they're with ROMEO, that is good news for this company. Really, really good news. And if we go down here, let's look at some more attractive. You know, they're going to be green. You know, they're doing the whole thing with, and they're mainly focusing on semi-trucks. It's basically with the big rigs, man. That's what they're going for. Through ROMEO's differentiated offerings and superior technology, we believe that ROMEO is well positioned to capture the industry-leading share of estimated 665 billion global. And I did see that ROMEO is partners of Workhorse. Now that is pretty good too. And I'm trying to see if we can find that here in the presentation. Some subscribers told me that they follow this stock and they follow Workhorse, and they've heard of ROMEO before, and they said that ROMEO does have a deal with Workhorse, so that's even good too. And this presentation could have been done before that deal was even possibly done. And we'll just scroll down here and look at some more. As you can see, this is kind of the vehicles that they're working on. And this van right here on the end is kind of where they're going to go with probably more of the workhorse style vehicles. And then you got the trucks here, which could be Tesla, Nikola Motors, and all the other players. So who are they going to go to get their battery? Let's hope they all go to ROMEO Power. And you can see, man, very professional presentation here by these people. Very, very professional. And I'm not going to say, I'm just kind of going to glance down through here, see if we can pick up some stuff. I just want to bring this to you guys. You guys can get in here and read all this if you would like to. As you can see here, they have these certain packs that, as you can see, they fit the postal service vehicles. They handle the semis. They handle, you know, commuter buses. They handle big rigs. So this is really, really cool. And certain ones last up to certain, depending on the battery, they last so many miles. So here's some of their world-class partnerships. Borg Warner, Heritage, other key partnerships. They have partnerships with Samsung, Texas Instrument, LG guys. Come on. These guys have, you know, deals with everyone. And you can see here, all this stuff. Key barriers, key benefits. I'm not going to read everything to you, but you get the point. And here you go. ROMEO's customers represent 68% of the NA Class 8 market today. Freightliner, Kenworth, Peterbilt. And here's their high-quality customer base. Autocar, BMW, Borg Warner, Heritage, Green Power, Lion, Lone Star, Nikola, Oshkosh, Phoenix, and Workhorse. Right there it is, Workhorse. Yeah, I knew they were partnered with Workhorse. So there it is. There's our proof. They are partnered with Workhorse right now. So that's really good. And we'll just keep going down through here. As you see this right here, that looks like the Nikola Badger, guys, right there. That looks like the Nikola Badger. So that makes sense that they're partnered with Nikola, and they're probably making the batteries for the Nikola Badger. So very, very interesting here. I mean, the more you get down to this presentation, you start to learn a little bit more about this company and where they're going through here. Here's a key one. 310 million revenue secured through signed contracts. Green Power, E-Truck, Nikola, Lightning Systems, and Phoenix. And as you can see here, strong top line revenue growth potential, 59%. Just this is what they're projecting up through 2025. And these are pretty impressive numbers. I mean, if I'm holding the stock and it's doing that, I'm a happy camper, I can tell you that. And we got some more key points down through here, man. There's just so much. And it says here, Romeo Power founded by a team of ex-Tesla and SpaceX engineers. Like, what? Right there, man. Ex-Tesla and ex-SpaceX engineer. This timeline is really, really good. Really, really good for us because you can kind of see what has been going on. This has been in the making now for over 4 years. They focused on the EVs, extensive R&D, thermal management, battery module design, beta products, and then here in 18, beta products developed for electric CV power sports. And then they had additional R&D into adjacent areas. And 19, Borg Warner invests $50 million into Romeo Power and forms JV. Also in 19, looks like they got a big deal with Heritage. And in 2020, Hermes battery launched for CV and high performance. And here, as of later in 2020, merger with RMG, partnership RMG, and new market investors. So here is their ongoing mission fulfillment. Execute on innovation portfolio and discovered R&D to maintain widened technology, deliver and grow signed contracts, strengthen partnerships, and expand manufacturing footprint. Guys, it's just amazing here. This is just amazing. And look at that. Is that like a postal service vehicle there? That one right here. That looks pretty cool looking, man. Imagine that baby delivering your mail up in your area. But yeah, I mean, there's just so much here, man. This is crazy. So crazy. And what's this here? We got more. I mean, the more I go down here, I'm only at page 20. I'm going to have to cut this video on like half the presentation because it's getting a little long. And I know people don't like super long videos, but I think we'll call this here an end. We're going to focus on this page and call it an end. And we'll come back for a part 2, man. Because I got a lot more great information about Romeo Power that we're going to cover. So secured partnerships and committed revenue in the CV space. Addressable market opportunity with $310 million in committed revenue and significant upside opportunity. The world's largest logistic players committed into electric fleets. Now we all know Walmart has committed to reduce emissions by 18% by 2025. Amazon has committed to being carbon neutral by 2040, buying 100,000 electric vans. The United States Postal Service, electrifying the majority of its 200,000 vehicle fleet. UPS, they got DHL, IKEA, Republic. So these are all huge potential customers of Romeo Power here, because how many times you've seen the Amazon commercial? They want to be completely carbon neutral by 2040, guys. You've all seen these commercials. So yeah, I mean, where are they all going to go? And then you got here on the other side, virtually all major OEM have announced electric vehicle programs. You know, you got a lot of big names in here, like, you know, Cummins, Mack, Tesla, Freightliner, and was that Volvo, Volkswagen, Rivian, which I know that was another one that's just becoming a stock. But yeah, and they got even down here more production contracts down here below. So I am super excited about this stock, RMG, and soon to be Romeo Power, which I just can't wait. As you can see, there's not much information on it, and I'm going to come back with more videos and keep you guys up to date on what's going on with news. And I don't care if I have 10 people watches these videos, I'm interested in this stock. And if I can get one person, to believe in this stock like I do, one person, and invest in this and make some money along with me. Like I said, invest at your own risk. Definitely do your own due diligence and research, but I'm hoping these videos bring you a little insight on some of the stocks that I'm looking to put my money on, and hopefully we can grow and learn together as investors. And that's kind of my goal, is that I'm a new investor myself, so I'm hoping we all can make some money together. So alright guys, you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash the thumbs up, join the thumbs up nation. So alright guys, I will catch you in the next one, and remember, buy the dip.